Here at Trimlight, we understand the frustrations of hanging holiday lights every year. Broken bulbs, tangled cords, snapped clips, and cumbersome ladders. Let us introduce you to the new way to turn on your lights with a button. Trimlight Select is a permanently installed system that matches the color of your home. The channel protects and hides all of the wires from view and locks our high-quality LED lights in place, giving you bright, beautiful lights at night that are hardly noticeable during the day. Our LEDs use 1/10 of the power than that of an incandescent bulb and can last 10 times as long, so you can be sure you will enjoy your lights for years to come. There are hundreds of color combinations and programs to celebrate any holiday, sporting event, or any other occasion all year round. Are you ready to have the most innovative new product for your home or business? Call Trimlight today.